just a little short one, but he was out there doing it. It is fisherman's superstition that eating the heart of your first tuna will bring you good luck the rest of your life for tuna fishing. Chauncy just pulled it. This is for good luck in the future on your fishing. Good job, guys. What you're doing as you're cutting him or not?
Oh, absolutely. I'm filleting the fish. Basically, these are yellowfin tuna. And we don't process them like 5-star, but I mean, I'm just as good. So basically, we cut down from here, cut through the bloodline down the center, and we seal it, pack it, get it ready for you guys to take home. When you guys get home, obviously you still gotta touch it up because this is not 5-star, but we get most of it done. We get the scraps out for you, and we do a great job. So, everybody cuts different. I don't recommend anybody cutting towards yourselves like I do, unless you're very experienced with a knife. That in which I am.
How many tunas do you think you've cleaned in your life?
I've cleaned more sea bass than tuna.
Oh, really?
But we're getting there. I mean, I'm just good with the knife.
You are good with a knife.
Yeah. So when you cut this tuna out here, you gotta leave the skin attached. It's a fishing game. Regulation rules. You gotta leave rib cages, valleys, and you gotta get the cauldron.
You have to leave the rib cage too.
Everything has to be also they can piece it together if they want it.
That's interesting. I did not know that. I knew you had to leave the skin for them.
Yeah.
And then what's this piece you're getting right here?
Collar, part of the pellet.
Look at all the meat that's right up there by the head. That's why he's cleaning that.